What if I told you one of the most powerful tools to improve your keto results isn't food at all? No macros, no supplements, just something simple, free, and often overlooked. And it could be the missing link between struggling on keto and finally feeling in control. If you're living the ketogenic lifestyle or even thinking about starting, there's something important you need to understand. Keto success isn't just about carbs, fats, and protein. It's also about your environment and, more importantly, your state of mind. Because let's be real, stress has a way of creeping in and quietly throwing everything off track. It increases cravings, disrupts your sleep, and makes consistency feel harder than it should be. That's where something called nature therapy comes into play, and it might be one of the most underrated strategies you can add to your keto lifestyle. The first big idea here is stress reduction. When you spend time in nature, even just 20 to 30 minutes, your body begins to lower cortisol levels. Cortisol is your primary stress hormone, and when it's elevated, your body holds onto fat more easily and sends stronger signals to eat, especially comfort foods. Even if you're choosing keto-friendly options, those stress-driven eating patterns can slow your progress. But when you step outside, whether it's a walk in the park, sitting by the water, or just getting some fresh air, you're giving your nervous system a reset. You move from a reactive state to a more calm and controlled one. And that shift alone can make a huge difference in your ability to stay consistent. The second key point is improved awareness and better decision making. Nature has a way of slowing everything down. It creates space between your thoughts and your actions. Instead of reacting automatically and grabbing something to eat because you're bored, stressed, or overwhelmed, you become more mindful. And that awareness is powerful. It allows you to pause, reflect, and make intentional choices that align with your goals. Keto isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. And consistency becomes much easier when you're operating from a calm, clear mindset instead of emotional impulse. The third point is better sleep and recovery. Many people overlook this, but sleep plays a massive role in your keto success. Poor sleep can disrupt hunger hormones, increase cravings, and lower your energy the next day. Spending time in natural light, especially earlier in the day, helps regulate your circadian rhythm. That means deeper, more restful sleep at night. And when you're well rested, everything improves. Your energy, your focus, your mood, and your ability to stick with your keto plan. It all connects. And here's what I love most about this. It's simple. You don't need hours of free time or some complicated routine. You can start small. Take a morning walk. Sit outside with your coffee. Step away from your phone and just breathe for a few minutes. These small habits create a ripple effect that supports your entire lifestyle. At the end of the day, keto isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you live. And when you combine smart nutrition with simple lifestyle strategies like spending time in nature, that's when things really start to click. If you found this helpful and you want more simple, practical keto tips, tricks, and strategies that actually work in real life, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I share content just like this to help you stay consistent, feel better, and get real results on your keto journey.